Have you ever noticed when someone passes away, we ask, how much did he leave behind? The answer is always the same. Everything. Nothing goes with us when life ends. In today's gospel, someone asked Jesus, "Teacher, tell my brother to share the inheritance with me." But Jesus said, "Be on guard against all greed, for one's life does not consist in possessions." Then he told a parable. There was a rich man who said to himself, "I will store all my harvest, then relax, eat, drink, and be happy." But that night God said to him, "You fool, this very night your life will be taken from you." You see, the man was not foolish because he was rich. He was foolish because he forgot about God. He thought that wealth could give him security, but he forgot that life itself belongs to the Lord. My dear brothers and sisters, no matter how big your house is, how full your wallet is, the grave will still be the same size. So stay humble, because true wealth is not what we keep, but it is what we share. So let us not waste our lives fighting over things that won't last. Instead, let us store treasures in heaven by loving, forgiving, and giving, because that is the kind of treasure no one can ever take away. God bless you.